I wish everyone would know eco-friendly is our responsibility, not only for the nature lovers. Hi, I'm Melody, and I'm a landscape designer, and also I'm studying communication design in PolyU, and also I'm a hiker. In old days, when I was really young, we would go hiking in autumn and winter, go swimming in summer. So most of our activity would be in the nature. As an adult, there are so many stress. So I would like to find a way to release this stress. I go into mountain again. Then I cannot stop anymore. It's really comfortable, relaxing, because I can leave everything behind. It's something like my trouble, my problem, the rubbish in my mind. The view is so great in this backyard. Supposedly, no trees on the mountain, but it's really quite disappointing. I've noticed there are quite a lot of rubbish on the mountain, so I started mountain cleaning after I found this problem. I go with a few friends here, Lion Rock Hill, and also Taimosan and so on. It's really a lot of tissue and plastic bottles. After the mountain cleaning, I think the problem is about the education. The people should know more about the concept, train the relationship about we and the environment, or I should say Earth. The best way to solve this problem is less waste. How to be less waste? Just use everything that is reusable. If I go hiking or trekking for a long day, I would bring my reusable bottle, something like this, a soft bottle, or maybe some fruits, no package snacks, also some towel, then no tissues. As what the earth gave us is everything: the food, the wheel, the air. So we should pay back well to our nature. Dun 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 dun.